Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's dead. This protects you and the motor. Once safe, set up a ladder where you can reach the fan comfortably. Grab a screwdriver, vacuum with crevice tool, a small brush, gloves, and glasses. Remove the light bulb first, then unclip the grill. Many use spring clips or screws. As you pull the grill down, support it with one hand. Make sure to note how the clips sit so you can reinstall in the same orientation. You now expose the fan motor and housing, disconnect the quick connect plug, or remove the mounting screws and lower the housing slowly. Once accessible, brush loose dust off the motor, blade, and inside the housing, then vacuum the debris. This prevents grit from falling into the bearings. For plastic parts and the grill, use a damp cloth and mild detergent and dry thoroughly. Make sure you never soak or spray the motor or wiring. Those get only dry cleaning to avoid damage. You're ready to reassemble. Reconnect the wiring plug and lift the housing into place. Tighten all screws snugly, then reinstall the grill and bulb. Once done, turn the breaker back on and run the fan for 1 to 2 minutes. Listen for unusual noise, wobble, or reduced airflow. If the fan hums or vibrates, make sure screws are tight and the blades aren't bent. If it still misbehaves, power off and inspect the motor bearings. Replacement may be needed if they are worn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.